The Jim Crow laws were racial segregation state and local laws. They were executed after the Reconstruction period in southern United States. They lasted from the late 1870s into the 1960s. Many states and cities could force legal punishments on any citizen for conversing with a person from another race. One common law forbade marriage between any white person and any colored person. Others mandated the segregation of public schools, public transportation, and public places, restaurants, and water fountains for whites and blacks. If you broke a Jim Crow law, you were sentenced to a lynching. Lynchings were brutal, mostly sadistic killings. The victims, who were mostly black, were shot or hanged, but some were castrated, burned at the stake, or dismembered. From 1887 to 1892, 9 states, including Louisiana, passed laws requiring some sort of separation on public transportations. In the 20th century, the Supreme Court began to overturn Jim Crow laws on constitutional grounds. Buchanan v. Worley and Irene Morgan v. Virginia ruled residential and transportation segregation unconstitutional. In 1954, Brown v. Board of Education of Topeka said that separate places were inherently unequal, effectively overturning Plessy v. Ferguson, thus outlawing Jim Crow laws in other areas of society as well.
Created using Comp2.